To allow or denying access to phone calls on this device in Windows 10 Home, open Settings, click or tap Start menu icon, and then click or tap Settings, select Privacy, and then scroll down Privacy screen, select Phone Calls. On phone calls, access for this device is on. Tap change if you want to turn off or change permission. To allow phone call access for this device, tap switch until on, or to deny, tap switch until off. Tap switch until on to allow, or tap switch until off to deny. And then click in empty area or other area to hide this option. If you allow phone calls, people using this device will be able to choose if their apps can make phone calls by using the settings on this page. When this option is on, Windows user, the cellular service of the phone you have linked to this PC to make calls. Additional charges from your service provider may apply. Denying access blocks apps from making phone calls. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.